This is just a short video to show you how to use the project template. So the first thing that you need to do is from the Google Classroom, if you click on this file here, the multi-view project template.zip file, it's an archive. If you click on that, and you can see here I'm in Chrome, this is the window I get, and if you click on this download button in the top right hand corner, that will download the project file. It's going to download it as a zip. Okay, so in my downloads folder, you can see here it's called multi-view project template.zip, and then what you will need to do is double click on this file to extract the contents. Essentially, this is the project folder, and then this is the actual project file that you will open up. You would probably want to move this folder. Please don't move anything from inside this folder out of the folder, but move this source folder, this root folder here, move it to your desktop or somewhere else so you can actually work on it, and you'll be able to find it in the future. So let's just take a look to see what this project contains. So you can see here that I've opened the project up, and at the left hand side you have the files. Okay, so this is the project navigator, and it'll give you all of the files. Inside here you've got the class files, so you have a file where you can add your code for each of the views, and then you have your storyboard here as well. So again, it's just a simple storyboard example. You can see here that all of these storyboards are linked. So you have storyboard 1 or view 1 that's linked to the other 3 storyboards, and then these are linked back again to view 1. And essentially what you're doing is you're taking what you have on your plan to really build this project. Now, in order to code each view, if you recall, we just click on the view itself, and then we click on this button here, and then we click on the assistant editor. Okay, and that will bring up the code for or the class file for this particular view. Now there is a little issue with this template. So let's just say if we go to the next view, which is view 2, okay, and activate this view, it's not really showing us the class file, it's showing us another file. Now what we need to do is we need to switch to the class file. So in order to do that, if we click on this button here, just next to the 2, click on previous, okay, and that will allow us to see the correct class file for that particular view. And that's the same case with view controller 4. You see here it doesn't load the correct class file. If we just go back here, okay, it's going to load the correct class file, and now you can actually begin coding this should you need to. Okay, we have 4 views here. Remember that the 4th view is an optional view. Okay, and again, you are designing this project in accordance with your design, your proposed design that you have recently completed.